Best method to cash out from Newton? I've been using Newton for a while now, but I still see people asking, what's the absolute best way to cash out my crypto to Canadian dollars, CAD, on Newton? Is it the standard electronic funds transfer, EFT, or is there a trick I'm missing to get my money faster and cheaper? The two main methods. When you're ready to sell your crypto and withdraw the CAD to your personal bank account, Newton offers two main options. I've used both extensively, and here's my breakdown based on my personal experience. 1. Electronic funds transfer, EFT. This is the default and most common method. How it works: you initiate a withdrawal from your Newton account to the bank account linked during your verification. Cost: it's free. Newton covers the transfer fees on their end. Speed: this is where the trade-off happens. Officially, Newton states it takes 1 to 3 business days. In my experience, for my first few withdrawals, it took closer to the full 3 days. Now, after having a trusted history with larger, more frequent withdrawals, I sometimes see it hit my account in 2 days, but never faster than that. Limits: there are daily and monthly limits, which are usually sufficient for most users. Check your Newton profile for your specific tiered limits. 2. Wire transfer, for high value. This option is primarily for users moving large amounts of money and is not the best for typical users due to the cost. How it works: similar to an EFT, but it uses the wire system, which is faster and more secure for big amounts. You typically need to contact support or have a high-level account to access this easily. Cost: it usually has a flat fee. While Newton covers some fees, wire transfers often incur a cost on the sending or receiving bank side, and it's less reliably free than the EFT. I've only considered this for withdrawals over $25,000. Speed: much faster, usually hitting your account within 1 business day. The verdict: my best method. For the average Canadian crypto user, the best method is a combination of simplicity and cost-effectiveness. And the answer is clear: stick with the free EFT, but plan ahead. Zero cost is king. Since Newton covers the EFT fees, it costs me nothing extra to move my money, which directly maximizes the profit from my crypto sales. The best strategy: I've found the most efficient way to use the EFT is to treat it like a scheduled payment. I don't initiate a withdrawal expecting it today. Instead, I sell the crypto on Monday, initiate the EFT, and I mentally budget for the funds to arrive by Wednesday or Thursday. This removes the stress of waiting. Pro tip from my experience: if you are a high-volume trader or need the money urgently, the best strategy isn't always using Newton's wire. It's often to use a stablecoin, like USDC or DAI, to send your funds to another platform that offers Interac e-transfer withdrawals, which are near instant, then cash out the CAD there. However, this method involves network fees, trading fees, and platform risk, so for the beginner or casual user, the free Newton EFT is absolutely the best, simplest, and most reliable option. It comes down to this: if you can tolerate a 1 to 3 business day wait, the EFT is the best method because it is completely free and reliable. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.